Jace. Hold on. You've done it again, haven't you? See, what Jace has forgotten to tell you is that based on the events of last month, he didn't have a referee to officiate because nobody wanted to be in the ring between Skhorn and Sledgehammer. So our dear commissioner here thought the best thing to do would be to cancel the main event. Don't stress, man, you're gonna lose your hair. So, I went above Jace the Ace because, let's face it, dude, we've never really gone, have we? Anyway, I went above, all the way to the top, all the way to the canteen back there, and I got permission from IPW management to be the special referee / enforcer just to make sure this match goes ahead. With that being said, bring out the first contestant.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. Scheduled for one fall. It is for the IPW Heavyweight Championship. To be officiated by CJ. Please welcome first, to my left, he is the challenger. Hailing from the Gold Coast, put your hands together for Sledgehammer! And his opponent is the current reigning IPW Heavyweight Champion from parts unknown, the Mad Dog of War, the Viking Skhorn.
All right, gentlemen. I'll send you both in your respective locker rooms. This match is going ahead. It's going to be a clean fight. Go to your corners, shake hands if you want to.
So you let CJ go above you? How many times have I say it? You have no control. Potty mouth.
Wow, the war of words is turning into the war of bodies now. As both men locking up. Oh. Here's a test of strength.
Sledge looks to be winning.
Oh, CJ checking on both.
Going around the whole
Right,
ring.
the ropes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa.
Oh.
Sledgehammer seeking the opportunity. Oh.
And takes the damn down.
Huge suplex. Gonna do it again.
2.
Oh. The champion Skhorn rocks. Early in this matchup, 2 huge German suplexes from Sledgehammer.
What's he got in mind?
I've never seen Skhorn manhandled. Oh my goodness.
And a 2 count. I've never seen the champ in danger this quickly.
You got that right. Skhorn normally on the strong offensive from the get-go, but he has been rocked so far. A huge thunderous body slam. You can hear the impact.
A senton.
1, 2, 2.
A 2 count. I mean, this could be over quick.
It's been all Sledge.
Oh,
Changes with the Hurricane Rana.
took him over.
Go off. It's reverse. Ducks to the lariat.
Oh, wow. Just dumps him. Sledgehammer back to his feet quickly, though.
Scooping him up. Blocked. Scored! He's a suplex of his own.
A snap suplex. Goes for the cover. 1 count.
Shoulder.
Special referee CJ was right there.
I know you didn't pick him, but he's doing a good job.
A big clubbing forearm across the shoulders.
Now Skhorn on top. And the clubs. Keeping Sledge down.
Irish whipped into the rope. Sledgehammer comes back. And this time he cops the spine buster.
He's out at 2.
Just a 2.
Shoulder up.
Dare I say it, good officiating from CJ.
The crowd just giving it to Skhorn. Standing over Sledge. Mighty Sledgehammer.
Ooh,
Now
back,
Carroll.
back into the corner. Shoulder barges, it's moving the ring. You can see it sliding across the floor.
A big close line. Sledgehammer out at 2 again.
You're pissing me off.
Oh. Skhorn not happy with the referee.
Skhorn's not happy with anyone.
Can you believe that Skhorn and CJ were former tag team champions?
Tag team champions. Look at it.
Whoa. CJ not afraid to get involved. What is going to happen?
Sledge is getting beaten. Now goes Skhorn.
Ooh.
Sledgehammer blocks.
It's like 2 Mack trucks hitting each other on the motorway.
And again.
Neither goes down. We're going to try again. Oh. Skhorn outsmarted Sledgehammer.
Why would you trust him? Big slam, but Skhorn dropping to a knee. And In the cover. 2 count.
Indeed it is. What a matchup. Sledgehammer returning to IPW. The one championship he never won was the Heavyweight Championship, and it's been a goal of his forever. Sledgehammer, a powerhouse. A powerhouse.
Oh, it's out of the ring. As long as he stays away from here.
A former Honor the Hawk winner.
Takes a seat.
Skhorn taking a breather.
I believe they call that recuperation, Jace.
If Skhorn is counted out, he keeps the championship.
Skhorn's running!
Cut off at the pass.
And the elbow drop. Some choice words from the audience.
I didn't quite catch it, and I'm maybe glad I didn't. Oh, big elbow. Yeah, elbow of his own. Sledgehammer fighting back. Sledgehammer, he's fired up. Oh, he got him the spear.
The spear. Almost.
Skhorn talking trash. He folded him. Sledgehammer counting his ribs.
And another.
Yes.
That's 2, Jace.
That's twice. And that's knocked the wind out of Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer barely able to get to his feet.
This is insanity.
Skhorn could do this all night.
All right. It looks like he's going to. Oh no.
Oh,
The lariat! What a maneuver! Jason!
somehow, Sledgehammer fought back. Oh, wow. So close. 2.
Shoulder. 2.
Shoulder was up at the count of 2.
Verified by Ref CJ.
Well, if anyone knows the rules of CJ, Sledgehammer is fired up again.
He's gearing up.
Will he take home the gold? Will he fulfill his dream of becoming the IPW Heavyweight Champion? He's been away training for years. Lost a lot of weight in the gym day after day. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of the match,